Yo, what's up everyone, it's Simran. Today we're diving into AWS. Whether you're new or experienced, this video covers AWS fundamentals. We'll explore key services that make AWS powerful. Master these basics to conquer the cloud. Let's break down AWS essentials and unlock career potential. First up, let's talk compute. It's the heart of your cloud where your applications run. AWS gives you killer options. Check out EC2 for virtual servers. Choose your OS, power everything, or use AWS Lambda for serverless code. Run code in response to events. Both are powerful, choose what fits. AWS has your back. Let's talk about storing your data. In the cloud, it's all about data. AWS has a service for every storage need. Amazon S3 is the foundation. It's perfect for storing everything. Then there's Amazon EBS, designed for high-performance storage. Think of it as virtual hard drives. Scale your storage as needed. Every application needs a brain to store and manage data, and that's where databases come in. AWS offers a range of database services for different needs. Amazon RDS supports MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQL Server. It's like having a cloud-based database administrator. For massive data, explore Amazon DynamoDB. Built for speed and scale, it handles millions of users. Alright, let's talk networking. AWS lets you build your own virtual networks in the cloud using Amazon VPC or Virtual Private Cloud. It's like having your own little corner of the internet, completely isolated and secure. You can control traffic flow, create subnets, and connect to your on-premises networks. And when it comes to managing your domain names and DNS, Amazon Route 53 is your go-to service. It's like the DNS server for the internet, but way more powerful and scalable. Security is paramount in the cloud, and AWS takes it seriously. AWS IAM, or Identity and Access Management, lets you control who has access to what. You can create users, groups, and roles and assign granular permissions to each. It's like having a team of security guards for your AWS account. And if you're dealing with sensitive data, AWS KMS or Key Management Service is your best friend. It makes it easy to create and manage encryption keys, so you can encrypt your data at rest and in transit. Alright, now for the fun stuff. AI and machine learning. AWS offers services to build intelligent applications, even without a PhD. Amazon SageMaker helps build, train, and deploy machine learning models. AWS Lex powers chatbots and conversational interfaces like Amazon Alexa. Data is everywhere these days, and AWS gives you the tools to make sense of it all. Amazon Redshift is a fully managed data warehouse service that lets you analyze massive data sets quickly and efficiently. Think of it as a giant data warehouse in the cloud, and if you need to prepare and load data into Redshift or other data stores, AWS Glue is your go-to service. It's a serverless ETL, or Extract Transform Load service that makes it easy to move and transform data at scale. Finally, let's talk about DevOps and monitoring. AWS CloudFormation lets you automate the deployment of your cloud infrastructure. You can define your entire infrastructure as code, making it repeatable and scalable. And for monitoring the health and performance of your applications, AWS CloudWatch is your best friend. It gives you real-time visibility into your cloud resources, so you can identify and troubleshoot issues quickly. Gap 3S. Now that you have a solid understanding of AWS services, let's discuss how you can validate and enhance your expertise through AWS certifications. AWS offers various certification paths tailored to different roles and skill levels. The foundational level includes the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner, perfect for beginners. The associate level dives deeper with certifications like Solutions Architect, Developer, and SysOps Administrator. These focus on architecture, development, and operations. The professional level includes Solutions, Architect, and DevOps Engineer certifications for advanced skills. Specialty certifications focus on areas like advanced networking, big data, security, and machine learning. Achieving AWS certifications validates your skills and opens doors to new career opportunities. Whether you're starting or advancing your career, there's an AWS certification path for you. So, explore the certification paths that align with your career goals. Gap 3S. Now let's move on to how you can level up your cloud game even further. Gap 3S. Now that you've explored AWS certification paths, let's look at some real-world success stories. These case studies show how companies have leveraged AWS to overcome challenges and achieve remarkable results. First, Netflix. Netflix used AWS to scale its streaming service globally, handling massive data and delivering high-quality experiences. Next, Airbnb. AWS helped Airbnb manage its growing user base and data, streamlining operations and improving experiences. NASA's JPL used AWS for storing and analyzing vast amounts of space mission data, accelerating research. Capital One enhanced security and compliance with AWS, supporting their digital transformation. McDonald's modernized its IT infrastructure with AWS, improving efficiency and customer experiences. These stories highlight AWS's power in driving innovation across industries. Gap 3S. Now, let's move on to how you can level up your cloud game even further. Gap 3S. Now that we've seen how AWS can transform businesses, let's talk about how you can stay updated with the latest AWS developments. The cloud landscape is ever-evolving and staying current is crucial. Consider enrolling in online courses on platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning. AWS also offers its own training and certification programs. Joining AWS user groups and attending meetups can provide valuable insights. Don't forget about AWS reInvent, the annual conference showcasing the latest innovations. Make use of AWS's extensive documentation and white papers. Regularly reading AWS blogs and following AWS on social media can keep you informed. By leveraging these resources, you can ensure your skills remain sharp and relevant. Gap 3S. Now, let's move on to how you can level up your cloud game even further. So, there you have it. A breakdown of some major AWS services to get you started on your cloud journey. Whether you're a developer, a data scientist, or just someone who wants to learn more about the cloud, AWS has something for everyone. Dive in, explore these services, and don't be afraid to experiment. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.